Hello everyone, this is Rafthelsavlogs right here from the Freudenstadt city. So this is just a virtual tour right here from the southwest of Germany. Gala-gala lang tayo guys, lakad-lakad. So just want to show you the beauty of the city of Freudenstadt. So I will go down there. And then I'll come back, I'll go up. It's been raining today, but never mind. I just want to show you the beauty of this city in Germany. Here in the southwest of the Baden, Württemberg. Punta tayo sa park nila. We will go to the park. And what is the park here? And I want to show you the park here. So that is the park there. So that is the city park. Dito tayo guys. So that is the city there. Standby muna tayo ng saglit dito. And let's take a look. And let's go back. So we'll go back there. We'll go back there. It's raining. So maglalakad lang tayo guys. Let's go there. This is just a virtual tour. Walking in this rainy days, rainy season. Maglalakad lang tayo. So let's go up. Oh my God, there is one sack of garbage is rolling because of the wind. I will show you guys. This is the sack of pile of garbage. So you see the beautiful buildings here. This is the beautiful German buildings. Look here. So let's turn. Pause muna tayo. So see, ito yung mga buildings nila. So now I am going up now. I'm walking here, going up to the centrum, city centrum, or the commercial area. Let's take a look there. Maglalakad tayo. I'm now on my way go up there in the roundabout. So let's pause for a while. And let's take a look again for this beautiful building. You see how beautiful is the building of Germany. The old buildings are beautiful than the modern. So they preserve their heritage. I hope guys you like this virtual tour right here from the southwest of Germany, from Freudenstadt, Baden, Württemberg. Ulan na, it's already raining. So to all my dear viewers and subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for supporting my vlogs, for watching every day for my premiere. I do my best to create more content for you so that you will find new videos every day for my premiere of Baden. Terima kasih. Buhut-buhut syukriya. Paresto puli. Dankeschön. Maraming salamat. Buen gracias. Mi amigas, amigos. Ciao. Auf Baden. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.